Hey guys, there's a tornado. Well, the tornado warning to be exact. What up? Yeah, I want to chase a tornado. Raining. Yeah.
Huh? Doesn't brew?
I'm recording
They
video.
have all their employees. They have a storm shelter under their building.
Yeah.
They have all their employees under there right now.
Yeah. But yeah. There's a tornado warning and. Whew, okay. I have my trusty dusty extension cord, so I can fight the tornado with this. Hold up. Mom.
Yeah.
Do you think I can fight a tornado?
That's my point.
Yeah. Mom, do you think I can fight a tornado?
Fight a tornado?
Yeah.
I mean, alright. You can do anything you set your mind to.
Yes, I can fight the tornado. I'm gonna go grab my weapon.
Okay.
Hey guys, I got permission to fight the tornado. I got permission to fight the tornado. Yeah,
Oh, like 50?
yeah.
Okay, let me take a drink. Because I'm not big.
I mean, not like okay, but yeah. I got permission to fight the tornado.
I don't fight the tornado.
I have weapons.
It's fucking wind.
There's ways.
Wait, let me talk to your viewers.
There's ways. You have something to say? Oh, my bad.
Oh, I just woke up, guys. If you ever see a tornado,
Fight it.
go to him.
Fuck no, go there.
Yeah, let's fight it.
Nah, you got it, bro. Fight. There we go. They call me your Mexican too.
Happy birthday.
Okay, if y'all want, if there's a tornado, come to me, and then we can all fight the tornado. Push the subscribe button for us to fight the tornado. That's really good. Yeah. Venom. Venom's gonna be alright. He's good, Venom. Don't worry, don't be scared. Anyway. Yeah. So, that's that. Doubt it never happened, but heck. I got my Dr. Pepper. Hold up. Let me go get it. Got my survival kit. Yeah. Anyway, I also got a drone. I'm gonna try to fly later. Now I also got my Dr. Pepper. So, and this is all in my bathroom, so we can fight no.
You got a ball right there.
I know, you gotta pick that up. Yeah. I did eat, so like a few minutes before I started recording this, so but yeah, Dad.
Fuck the scrub.
As you know, I'm tired. Well, They do?
Yeah, they won't let anybody leave.
I mean, Walmart is a safe place to go. For like if you're out on the road. They don't like have windows all throughout the store, I think. I don't actually, I forgot, but anyway, this is all the videos, or all I'm gonna record right now. If a tornado does happen, I'm gonna be recording that. But all the animals are safe. The cats are in Dad's room. My dog's in his cage, and Mercer's dog's in her cage. So yeah, pretty much we saved every animal that we have. So yeah, but yeah, this is all. I know how to survive stuff. So yeah. Anyway, I honestly don't even know what. But I doubt anything will happen because of the fact that we get tornado warning all like a lot in this place or town. But anyway, bye. Like, subscribe for more, and peace out, the Reptile Squad.
If we locate a tornado, you want to be a tornado chaser?
Yeah, that's actually what I want to do. Like, let's put YouTube videos while chasing tornadoes.
Maybe we'll be lucky and we can drive a private inside the thing.
I mean, yeah, that would be cool.
You can call your mom like, hey, just want to say goodbye.
Yeah.
We're going to die.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my favorite all on fucking some message.